Alright guys, we're going to do some more work on the Suburban today. I've got an LED light bar and a couple little lights I want to put on the front bumper. Normally I wouldn't do it this way because I don't like drilling into bumpers, but this one's beat up a little bit and bent, so I'll probably end up changing it and building my own bumper eventually, but I'm just using stuff I had laying around. Again, doing this on a budget, so I want to show you guys what I'm doing, show you what I'm going to put on, and then I'm going to get it put on and let you see the finished results. Alright, let's go. Here's the Suburban, everybody remembers. So what I'm going to do is I got this 52-inch light bar, and I got the wiring harness and everything and new brackets to put the 52-inch light bar right up here, go across the windshield. So I'm going to get working on that, see how she turns out. Get in here, get underneath the hood and see where I need to wire everything up. Cheap ass button here. It's gonna go inside on the dash. So we'll run it through the firewall. We'll run it right down through here. And probably just go in place where the rest of the wiring harnesses are. Run that in. Okay, so I've got the wires ran. As you can see, we're going to need to clean a lot of this up, but I wanted to get it pretty much in working stage so I can go ahead and mount the light. So we got our main power with the fuse and the relay over here. I have to mount this with a screw right there, won't be a big deal. These wires go up to the light. These run underneath the dash for the push button to turn it on. So I'm going to get it all ran the way it needs to go after I get everything mounted and know it works right, and then we'll clean it up, put some wire loom on it and all that good stuff. So redneck ingenuity is working so far, so let's start on the brackets. So I bought these nice brackets here to mount the 52-inch LED light bar I got. Got it on eBay, 20 bucks. Not bad at all, and it's already fit, and it'll fit several kinds, but it'll fit this particular Suburban. So, and it's made in America with American steel. I really like that. I can't remember the name of the company though. I'll have to get that to you. So we're gonna go ahead and move everything the way it needs to go. Grab the right one here. It's pretty simple. You just slide back your weather stripping, mount some self-tapping screws exactly where you want it, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna get started on that. I think I'm just gonna do it right in line with the top of the windshield here. Use it for my line. Screw all these in here, and then we'll put the weather strip back. And I may go ahead and put some caulking on there so it doesn't work its way loose, but really simple. Go ahead and get started on that. It's always nice to have some handy equipment like this here Milwaukee Fuel. So you can pretty much see how it's going to be, and you better look. So have one on the other side same way, and put that 52-inch bar on it. That'll be really nice. If that was any nicer, I'd think I was the one that did it. Hell yeah. Now, let's see if we can put that bar on. See if we can do the regulator and mount up. I wouldn't normally lay stuff across the hood like this, but you seen the hood on this, you wouldn't care. Hail damage and paint peeling and all the fun stuff. So I'm taking off the original brackets that this thing came with. They're only good for, like my work truck, it's mounted on a headache rack, but this one came off a wrecked work truck and they're all bent and this thing's all scratched. That's why I got it. Just like the little lights, I got those off a wrecked truck too. So that's pretty much how. This is still a budget build because I'm using stuff that was going to be salvaged. Those things that they told me it fit a 52 and it actually doesn't, but I've got too far to turn back. Have to adjust it now. It's be running airplanes off the runway. All right. Not tied or anything yet, but there's what she's gonna look like. Not bad. We got everything ran and hooked up. We've got power to our switch here. And this just got a little sticky pad on it I'm gonna put right here. So you can see it's got power. Now, that's on, of course, turns green. Off is red. Now let's see if it works. Fail. Hang on a minute, stand by. All right, let's give it another try. Okay, got a fuse issue. Fuse setup was junk on it, so let's give it one more try. There we go. That's looking good. Green light. So yeah, it's gonna be nice and bright. All this for 20 bucks and some time, guys. It can be done. Gonna be more to come on this. This is still gonna be the budget build. And this is gonna be what I pull stuff out of the weeds and farms with for rescues. So keep in mind, you can do it too.